New design, new software, new chip, new camera sensors. You know what I'm talking about. It's the new Pixel phones, the Google Pixel 6 and the Google Pixel 6 Pro. In this video, I'm going to be talking about these new devices from Google, everything you should know about them. My name is Yudi. I talk about tech. Let's shoot. So before we begin, do me one favor. Give this video a like by hitting the like button. That will really help with the YouTube algorithm so more people will get to see this video. Now I do have chapters of this video as table of contents in the description below. You can check them out so you can skip to any part of this video you'd like. Let's start with the design and build quality. Now they both come in this new design which I really like. The cameras are aligned horizontally, which I do prefer on a phone. It doesn't wobble on flat surfaces. Now both of these phones, the Pixel 6 and the Pixel 6 Pro, have Gorilla Glass protection. That's Gorilla Glass Victus on the front and the back. The Pixel 6 has the Gorilla Glass 6 protection on the back. Now they both have aluminum frame, that's glossy on the 6 Pro and matte on the 6. They are both IP68 water and dust resistant, so pretty good build quality. At the right side of the device is the volume rockers and the power button. Up top we have the secondary microphone. Now on the left side is the single SIM card slot, and at the bottom is the USB Type-C port and one of stereo speakers. The second speaker is at the top right above the punch hole selfie camera. No headphone jack on either Pixel devices, but we do have an under-display fingerprint sensor. The Pixel 6 is the smaller device with a 6.4-inch 1080p 90Hz AMOLED display, and the 6 Pro is the bigger device with a 6.71-inch 1440p AMOLED 120Hz display. The 6 Pro makes the 6 look like a small phone, but they are actually both huge displays. Now powering that display and the entire phone is a 4614 mAh battery and a 5003 mAh battery on the Pixel 6 and the 6 Pro respectively. By the way, if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, please do subscribe. Just hit that subscribe button and the notification bell right beside it. They are both running Android 12, stock Android, that's Material U. Matching colors, huge quick settings icons, huge buttons, clean and polished UI, up to 5 years of software updates, all the good stuff. Now the new Tensor chip is a 5nm octa-core processor with a Mali G78 GPU. This new Tensor chip made by Google will be better for Google than the Snapdragon chips they've used in the past. Better AI, better voice recognition, better machine learning, better computational photography, and so on. The new Tensor chip is still up there with the best chipsets like the A15 Bionic and the Snapdragon 888. The Google Tensor actually has better graphics than the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. So yeah, the new chips will just make Pixel phones, that's Google phones, feel more googly. Lastly, the cameras. New camera sensors. A 50 megapixel main sensor, 48 megapixel 4x telephoto lens, a 12 megapixel ultra wide, and an 11.1 megapixel selfie camera. That's on the 6 Pro. On the regular Pixel 6, there is no telephoto camera, so we just have the 50 megapixel main sensor, 12 megapixel ultra wide, and an 8 megapixel selfie camera. Now it's capable of shooting 4K video at 60 frames per second on its rear camera for both phones. However, for selfie we get 4K 30 fps on the 6 Pro and 1080p 30 fps on the Pixel 6. So here are the differences between these two devices: 1440p over 1080p, 120Hz over 90Hz. Pixel 6 doesn't have a telephoto camera, the 6 Pro does. These are all the differences, and everything else is quite the same. They both use the same chipset, the Tensor, which means that the Pixel 6 will just be as powerful as the Pixel 6 Pro. And the fact that the Pixel 6 is $300 more affordable is really good. It's a really good deal. Definitely one of the best $600 phone out there. Anyway, do let me know what you think of the Pixel 6 and the Pixel 6 Pro. Do you consider it to be your next phone? Let me know in the comments below. Hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, give this video a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Just hit the subscribe button and the notification bell right beside it so you get notified when I upload a new video just like this one. My name is Yudi. This is Yudi Shoes. Thank you so much for watching, and you see me in my next video.